everyone, welcome back. So I have another unboxing for you because another package arrived from my Black Friday Cyber Week shopping extravaganza. This series is a little embarrassing, but also kind of fun at the same time because who doesn't love shopping? That's why you're watching this video, right? Okay, so the next company that I had ordered from is from Dashing Diva, which does a lot of nail stuff. So like press-on, stickers, nail care, that sort of thing. And I've used their stuff before. I probably haven't talked about them a whole lot on this channel, if at all, because I typically stick to makeup since I am a makeup artist. And I'm not, you know, a nail technician or an esthetician or anything like that. So I will show you, though, the things that I bought because I do love doing my own nails. And because it's just fun and relaxing, you know, and you can change them more often than when you go to the salon just because it's more affordable. And, you know, I get bored of looking at the same thing like all the time. So let me show you what we've got. So this is one of like my favorite general press-on nails that I just like to keep on hand because you can wear them for any occasion. These right here, French tips with silver decoration. And this is called So Frenchin Cute, which, I mean, they are so Frenchin cute. I always get, when I get press-ons, the short ones because I have short stubby nail beds and longer nails don't really look good on my nail bed. Also because I exercise and, you know, have to grip the pole and stuff like that. It's easier for me so that I don't like scratch myself typing on a computer, all that sort of stuff, but mostly like the whole injury thing of like scratching myself. The next one that I got is this one right here. And I forgot what the name is. BRB. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So these are called Plum Magnet. They are a light plum lavender kind of color with a sparkle and sheen. You know, I love sparkly, shiny things. Again, short. And I also prefer, you'll notice that everything is the square shape. I prefer a square shape on my pressed nails. That's just what I like, that I think looks good on me. I do love, like, the stiletto and coffin nails. I love when people wear those. I think those are so sexy. I just don't think they look good on me personally. Plus, with, like, the pole dancing and stuff, I'm afraid I'm gonna, like, you know, like, across my face or something. But anyway, moving on. And the other pressed nail set I got are these here. These are gonna be the ones that I wear for Christmas, the holiday week. And these are called Snow French. So they're French tips, red with shimmer, and then little snowflake decorations on some of them. And then last but not least, I got a pair of their nail stickers that I really, really love. These right here. And these are called Crushed Velvet. So you can see the sparkle and the shine. And I do have more of these nail stickers in my collection of things that I keep on hand. That way I can just do my nails quick whenever I'm in the mood, depending on what's going on. And it also depends on what shape my nails are in, whether I use press-ons versus the nail stickers. But I have a whole bunch of the nail stickers in my repertoire at the moment. Didn't have a whole lot of press-ons, so during the Black Friday sale, I wanted to get some of the press-ons. So these are, I don't have a specific occasion that I plan on wearing these to, So Frenchin Cute and Plum Magnet. So these are going to go in the backup area. These gorgeous babies I plan on wearing around Christmas week. And these right here, I'll probably put them on later tonight. Because I like to wear the press-ons when my nails are shorter, naturally, but not too short because I don't want it to get stuck on my finger. And then I like to wear these when my nails are longer, just because it's easy to file off the edge. And there we go. That's what I purchased from Dashing Diva. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of the nail stuff that I like to do for myself personally. I don't do nail stuff on other people because you have to be licensed in the state of Florida, which is where I live, in order to be able to do that. So I only do nail stuff on myself. But I'm more than happy to show you all what I like to do. And if you want a demo of how I apply these products specifically, let me know in the comments below. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, a wonderful week, wherever you are. Happy holidays if you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, then I hope you're having a great time in your life. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.